Hello, this is Mariobossofminecraft here. And best logos in the background.
Hey.
So yeah, I'm gonna play Gary's mod again. I'm gonna do this a little bit different. I'm still going to the same place. I'm just not gonna do everything I did last time.
He's eating pizza.
It's about lunchtime.
It's like 1.
No, it's 12. It's 12. It's 12:26. There we go. Ah, what did I just say?
You said very here.
There we here. I'm still getting the trolling gun because I like it. Just in case I want to listen to the troll song.
Turn into a bird.
Because I'm a bird and I'm walking away. Oh, here we go. This is working now. Because I'm a bird. Watch. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never. Because I'm a bird and I'm walking away. I'm walking away because I'm a bird. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You cannot catch a bird. That was just funny. I did the bird song, except I did it with his crow sounds. I know what I'm gonna do. Where is he? Oh my gosh! Die! Nope. There we go. Yeah, that's what the Slenderman does. If you didn't see the last episode, that's what the Slenderman does. I'm Maddie friend. Look, it's Maddie friend. Wait.
I guess you should go with Alex.
Okay. There we go. She's gonna follow me. She should follow me.
No.
She sounded like a bird. She was like,
I guess you should go.
that was sat down and like that.
What the heck? There we go.
This is a bio of dead bodies. Nobody put up this.
Wait, no. If I go to animals, it's Papa Coachella.
You said animal?
Yes!
Judge those who do injustice to me. Fight with those who fight with me.
Shut up. I'm such a pro creator that I'm proper.
In places which were not mine. Afflictions beast.
Boom.
You killed everyone.
And look at all the, it's raining guns. And this is the monster I've created.
Dang.
I get tons of pulse ammo. And pulse ammo is here. I'm shooting them with their own face. Cause I'm a bird.
Just spawn a bunch of birds.
And
use
one-
a rocket launcher.
This is the
Hey there, Pat.
this is what the official I'm a Bird music video looks like.
The Lord afflict them.
Remember that, Chris? This is the I'm a Bird music video. Cause I'm a bird and I'm walking away. And I'm walking away cause I'm a bird. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. You cannot catch a bird. You cannot catch a bird. There we go. There. Oh.
Don't hit the big red button!
KP. Alive and he say double B B B B. Oh! Wait. Let me go to thrusters. I want to see what key thrusters. KP minus. That means if I put this as KP minus, then
You have to put a seat to it.
there we go.
You have to put a seat on it.
If I press this button, where is that?
Where did it go? Oh my gosh. Well, no click to it.
Is that the bird? Oh, that's a pigeon. That's a bird. And that is the platform, I think. What? Give me it. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a bird.
Then where's the platform?
What? Where's the platform? You should have went straight up. What? Wait, I know. I know what I'm gonna do. I gotta go to the secret land.
He's in the secret land. Of grassy wood.
I wonder if this will work. I'm dancing on the edge of the Flatwood sign. Now, if I do this, okay, there's 5 minutes. If I do this, and then make this one make this one bigified.
Draw forth a sword, and sheathe it in those that afflict me. Say to my soul, I am thy salvation.
What the heck are you talking about? So if we do this, pick up the giant Father Grigori, or Parakeet, put it down there, and then you still, what? Huh? Oh, that's it. This must go into the middle of the map. Here, this is probably correct. Where is it? Oh. He still has to be going this way. There we go. This has to be right. Oh, he went too far. If this... Up. Up.
There's a baby in there.
I hate you. Wait a second. Flatwood sign. Then this has to go here. Where is it? It's still too far that way. Then it must be right here. Perfect. Now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my thrusters. Go back into the hidden world. Ah. I can't put it on his face.
For my soul is filled with evil, and like this place must be burned.
I'm inside Parakeet. He ate me. He ate me. So yeah, I'm pretty much done here now. Bye guys, and this is Mariobossofminecraft. I am gaming out. Bye.